guys, welcome back to my channel, and welcome to Febmas. It's officially Feb and it's our birthday month, and it's my birthday today, so I'm officially here. I'm showing up on my birthday, and yeah, I don't have much planned, guys. Your birthday during the week sucks. Actually, it sucks, but yeah, I am decided to take myself on a solo breakfast. So I'm here at Quin getting some breakfast, and after I'm gonna go home. So guys, let me tell you what happened in the morning. No, actually this needs a mic, a proper mic, so I'll tell you the story, guys, when I get home. This is just an opening of my vlog. I hope you're gonna love it, and yeah, and welcome on board to the new service. I really see you. Thank you guys so much for being here. There she is.
Hi guys. My name is Kgantso, and good afternoon.
Okay.
I came here from school. So I don't think this is how a birthday should go. First we eat the cake. Why aren't we putting the candles on top?
But your younger sister wanted the cake, like now, despite the candles.
Despite the candles, what does that even mean?
How about the candles? Like how do you What about your cake? I feel bon.
Okay, nobody should do this. If your baby needs cake, you must say no. I'm not big.
You? Okay, parenting 101. They will tool. Okay, so people wanted to say hi and then check in with you.
Hi.
Yeah. So, and when now are you eating? Ubatang when? Geli. Ubatang. Ubizo tatampe lo batang. Reshapange. Hi guys, welcome back to another day. So today it's a Friday and we are continuing with the birthday maintenance vlog. So today I am going to do goddess locks. I am going to do my hair, and the good thing is that the ladies here, guys, I don't need to go to the salon. Like really, I couldn't find any booking. I'm glad and grateful for those mobile services. So yeah, if she does have an Instagram handle, I'll definitely plug her handle. And yeah, right now I'm just making ourselves some coffee, and she's busy with doing the hair thing. So let's get into it. Let's first make coffee. So we're gonna go sit outside. So it's a bit chilled. Yo guys, okay, winter or summer or like the seasons they are stressing. So yeah, I think it's best to avoid that would clean up the pieces and let me just wear jersey. And then you know, okay, I'm gonna take my coffee. Let's go. So hi guys,
Hi guys.
Okay, this is the mic. You guys can just share the mic. I'll put it here. So these are the ladies who have been like pampering me, and then we're doing some braids, and Susan is doing the braids. This is Susan.
Hello.
And then where do they find you?
They find me in Randburg. I do mobile salon.
Okay, mobile salon. Susan, you're not on Instagram?
I am on Instagram.
Okay,
and
you'll
TikTok.
give me your handle.
Yes.
Even on TikTok.
Yes.
And then this is Tando, and Tando does nails, massage.
Hey
What else?
I do nails, massages, pedicures, manicures.
Okay.
Yes. So you can find me on Instagram, and my Instagram handle is Tando Beauty.
Tando Beauty.
Yeah, so you can find me there.
Okay.
Yes.
She does house calls, guys. All of them, they do house calls. So that's why we're here. So yeah, we were here to plug them. I'll This one will give me her page, then I'll put her page also, then I'll also put their pages, so you can just follow them, call, and yeah, get pampering at your own house.
Yeah.
Bye. Let's go,
Thank you,
guys.
guys. Bye.
Bye. So guys, I'm here to show off my braids and close off my vlog. I hope you loved this vlog, and if you did, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.